Today we are going to be talking about the language of a circle. More specifically, the center point, the circumference, the diameter, and the radius. Center point. Center point. The term we are working with is center point. The center point is the absolute middle of the circle. You may be familiar with this idea based on somebody or something you know that is always the center of attention. When you are the center of attention, it means everything around you is focused or based on you. Every piece of a circle is based off of the center point. Circumference. Circumference. This word, everybody, is circumference. Meet Bob. Bob is standing on the circumference of the circle. We know he is on the circumference of the circle because he is standing on the edge of the circle. As Bob walks around the circumference of the circle, notice how Bob stays on the outside of the circle. This is because the circumference is the outside edge of a circle. Diameter. Diameter. The word we are working with now, everybody, is diameter. The diameter splits the circle in half. It starts in the center point and extends its lines out equally in opposite directions until each of them touches the edge of the circle, also known as the circumference. As the circle rotates, you can see that the diameter can be anywhere inside of the circle, as long as it crosses through the center point, extends its lines out equally in opposite directions, and touches both edges of the circle. Radius. Radius. Our new word is radius. The radius is a sibling of the diameter. I say the radius is a sibling of the diameter because it too starts in the center of a circle and extends its line out until it reaches one edge, also known as the circumference of the circle. Notice how the radius only extends one line from the center and reaches the circumference. This is what makes the radius so unique. We can define the radius as half of the diameter. Watch as I rotate the circle. Just as the diameter, the radius can be anywhere in the circle as long as it starts in the center point and extends its line out in one direction and reaches the edge of the circle. Let's review. The outside edge is known as the circumference. What splits the circle in half? It's the diameter. The center of the circle is known as that would be the center point. I am the sibling. I am half of the diameter. Who am I? I am the radius. The end.